welcome to the first lecture of chemistry of 11th standard. In this lecture, we have to study the simple and interesting topic, which is chapter number 1, some basic concepts of chemistry. In this topic, we have to study some basic concepts of chemistry. That means we have to study some basic terms which are used in chemistry. First, we have to learn what is meant by chemistry. What is meant by chemistry? Chemistry is the most important branch of science in which there is a study of composition, other properties, the changes which occurs in a matter, and the laws which are applied to the chemistry, which is under the study of chemistry. Or the chemistry can also be defined as it is the branch of science in which there is a physical and chemical properties. There is changes in physical and chemical properties and their changes. That means it is the branch of science in which there is study of physical and chemical properties and their changes. This is the definition of chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science in which there is a study of physical and chemical properties and the changes which occurs in physical and chemical properties. This is the simple definition of chemistry. In this chapter, we have to study the physical and chemical properties, the branches of chemistry, and laws which are applied to the chemistry, molecular mass and molar mass. This concept we have to study in this chapter or in this lesson. The chemistry is also called as central science. That means chemistry is a central science. Chemistry is the central science in which there is a study of lots of, or chemistry is related to the various subjects. So, it is also called as core subjects. Chemistry is also called as a core subject because chemistry is related to the other subjects like physics, biology, then maths. So, it is called as a central science. It is the central science of all these three subjects. That means chemistry is related to the maths, physics, biology subjects. So, it is also called as core subjects. Core subjects. That means it is also related to the agriculture chemistry, then dentistry. It is related with the chemistry. That means these 4 branches are related to the chemistry, or 4 subjects related to the chemistry. So, chemistry is called as a core subject or the central science of all the science. The chemistry is used, we know that chemistry is used in daily home products. When we woke up, we start our day with the toothbrush by applying the Colgate. Colgate is a composition of chemical substances. That means it contains the chemical composition of all the substances. So, chemistry is used in daily home products. For example, if we take the milk which is converted into curd, which is also a chemical substance or chemical composition. So, it is related to the chemistry. And we drink the water having the formula H2O, 2 moles of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atoms. The water is also a composition of hydrogen and oxygen. There is a chemical composition of hydrogen and oxygen. So, it is also related to the chemistry. That means chemistry is used in a day-to-day life in everyday life in human beings. So, it is used in daily home products. Of chemistry and its importance, that means importance of chemistry. Next point we have to study is the nature of chemistry. Is the nature of chemistry. Chemistry is the main subject of science, but again chemistry is classified into another 5 branches. Chemistry is classified into 5 branches, of which are 5 branches classification classified as first branch is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. Second branch is inorganic chemistry. Second branch of chemistry is inorganic chemistry. Third branch is physical chemistry. Physical chemistry. Fourth branch is biochemistry. Biochemistry, and last but not least is the analytical chemistry. That means chemistry is classified into 5 branches: organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, biochemistry and analytical chemistry. First we have to study the organic chemistry. What is meant by organic chemistry? Organic chemistry, in which there is a study of reactions and their products. Means organic chemistry contains study of reactions and their products. Reactions and their products. Generally, the organic chemistry contains the carbon and hydrogen atoms. This organic chemistry contains the carbon and hydrogen atoms. The compounds of carbon and hydrogen atoms is included in organic chemistry. So, the organic chemistry is also called as hydrocarbons. That means it contains hydrogen and carbon. So, it is also called as hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means containing the hydrogen and carbon. Containing the hydrogen atom and carbon. So, it is also called as hydrocarbons. Organic chemistry is the study of reactions and their products. Means it includes the study of reaction and their products. It contains the carbon and hydrogen atoms. So, it is also called as hydrocarbons. Next we have to study is the inorganic chemistry. In this inorganic chemistry, there is the study of substances other than hydrogen. Study of substances other than hydrogen. It means in inorganic chemistry there is carbon mostly contained, but there is no hydrogen atom. In inorganic chemistry there is no hydrogen atom. Other than hydrogen atom there is other substances, other atoms, that means carbon and oxygen compounds other than hydrogen atom. So, it is carbon and nitrogen compound, carbon and halogen compounds includes in the inorganic chemistry. Third, let us move on the third branch, which is physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is the most important branch in chemistry. Physical chemistry is the most important branch in chemistry because the analytical chemistry and biochemistry, which are also included in the physical chemistry. The analytical chemistry and biochemistry are also included in the physical chemistry. So, physical chemistry is the most important branch in the chemistry. There includes study of matter. Matter contains, that means in physical chemistry there is atoms, molecules or ions, electrons. That means there is inclusion of atoms, molecules and electrons, which are included in the physical chemistry. Study of matter, which includes the atoms, molecules and electrons, ions in the physical chemistry. Yes, this is the physical chemistry, which is the study of matter, which includes the atoms, ions or molecules and electrons, is called as physical chemistry. Let us move on to the next branch of chemistry, which is a biochemistry. Biochemistry means it included the subject biology and chemistry, both the combination of biology and chemistry. Our body is made up of biological substances or biological compositions, that means biomolecules. Our body is made up of biomolecules, which is the composition of biomolecules, which contains the composition of carbohydrates, proteins, enzymes, which contains the carbohydrates, proteins and enzymes, which is included in the biochemistry, And the last branch of chemistry is the analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry include the analyze the chemical compositions. Analyze the chemical compositions. Analytical chemistry include the analyze chemical compositions, and there is many instrument which is work on the analytical chemistry, which helps the analytical chemistry to detect the chemical composition of compounds. So, there are 5 branches of chemistry. Organic chemistry, which includes the study of reaction and their products, contains the hydrocarbon, that means carbon and hydrogen, so also called as hydrocarbon compound. Next one is inorganic chemistry, which is the study of substances other than hydrogens, means it mainly include carbon with the other atoms, which is not include the hydrogen atom. So, it is related with the other atom, for example carbon and oxygen. Next one is a physical chemistry, which is the most vital or most important branch of chemistry, which is the related with the study of matter, which includes atoms, ions and molecules and electrons. Next one is a biochemistry. Biochemistry means there is a study of biological reactions. Which also occurs in our body. That means our body is made up of lipids, fats, proteins, carbohydrates, which includes their study includes in a biochemistry, and there also includes the medicinal, also include the medicines and drugs, include the medicines and drugs, is called as biochemistry. Analytical chemistry, last branch. Analytical chemistry analyzes the chemical compositions by using the analytical instruments, for example chromatography, TLC, separation of chemical compounds, analyze or separate the chemical compounds, which is under the study of analytical